Kim O'Neill, Baltimore County, Maryland. Saturday, June 28th, 2019. Sitting at my oldest son's house for a minute, helping him do some things, but wanted to make something clear. Between the physical military combat attacking me with the electrocution and all the ways it's doing so, and the attacks to my brain from the warfare, they mess with my speech, so I either can't talk, don't say what I intend to say, or it's screwed up in some way. If I was able, I would put it all on a court record. But at this point, it's not that I'm not able. They are attacking me physically with the combat signal warfare to such a degree, I can't get into a courtroom. I feel like I'm a prisoner in my own home. The severity of this stuff is off the charts. And these recordings, when you watch these people that are screaming about being targeted in their heart, their legs, their guts, their throats, their eyes, their face, whatever, and then the next minute they're okay, it's because that's how the signal warfare works. When they apply the signal warfare, you're freaking having what feels like a heart attack. You're sitting there shaking. You can't speak. You're speaking funny. All kinds of shit. They can make you look messed up real easy. But the point of this is, at this point, I'm being held like a quasi-prisoner as far as I'm concerned. They won't even let me near a courtroom. If I call the police concerning this, which I have at this point, Baltimore County, Sykesville, Munis, Maryland State Police, I've informed the FBI. They've all been informed. ACLU has even been contacted. Not sure they got it, because the mail delivery is a little curious in how some people have received my mail that should not have been. I got off point there. The deal is, if I could take this into a courtroom, I'd put it on the court record that the Department of Homeland Security is now out there using brain warfare like it's an official operation, like it's a legal weapon. It is, you can call it microwaves, you can call it EMF, you can call it radio frequencies. The Baltimore County police officer I spoke to, Officer Robinson, called it weaponized RF. But it's full spectrum warfare, and they're coming at us with so many things. This would go on a court record, because I know at this point what's been put on a court record is minimal. Accusing them of using biometrics for illegal surveillance, tracking, and targeting with military weapons. Deprivation, obstruction, and violation of legal civil human rights. Inhumane cruelty that rivals Auschwitz. Yes, it fucking does. It does. The evidence on their hard drives will prove this. Will prove it. It will prove it. But at this point, it's so bad. They either are about to freaking murder me and my family, because we are all of us, my children and grandchildren and myself, are hurt by this. And while they do not understand what has happened to them, don't recognize it in the same way because of what they're doing to them, they are hurt. I'm hurt. My pets are hurt. The ones that are still alive. And if I could, I would put this all on a court record, so at least they could not hide it anymore. It's online. It's on the computers. There's hard drive evidence. There's lots of victims. There's no reason to give up hope. But these people are seriously corrupt. And to put that they're out there using signal warfare for brain neurocognitive attacks would be new. The fact that they are using illegal military surplus, well, they knew that. It's been in the Baltimore Sun, it's been in multiple papers. They're not allowed to use the military surplus. That's illegal. Though they are. So, if I could, I would put it all on a court record. At this point, it's just these lame videos, really. Too many years of this. I mean, technically this started in early 2000, between 2001 and 2004. Not exactly sure when at this point. But it's been a long time suffering something that is unbelievable. I can't think of anything else to say at the moment. That's it.